Hi guys, it's Pug from the Puggy Gamer, and today I'm with Arnold. Here, get the sock. Arnold, hey, Arnold ran off. I'm gonna go get him. Do 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 do. Where are you, buddy? Da da da. Yay! He took the sock. He took the sock. Uh-oh. Here. Get your pillow. Give me my pillow. This is my pillow. My pillow. My pillow. Arnold's dragging the pillow away. My pillow. My pillow. Come on. Oh. Dun dun dun. Oh, I'm gonna try to get Arnold. He's right there. My pillow. What? Pillow. Pillow. Get the pillow. Get Ola. Dun, 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 dun. Now where's his sock? That is our new puppy. So, that has been Arnold. Now, it is time to talk. Arnold, do you want to come and play? It looks like he's coming to play. So, instead of talking, we'll see you more. Get up. Oh. Give me the pillow. Give me the pillow. Pew. Give me the sock. The sock is on the pillow. So, take the bait. When you wait. Dun 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 dun. Hey, that was Arnold, and I'm gonna give him the sock. There he is. What's what? Snowman. Looks like one Olaf. Yeah, so that's Arnold, and this video is a reminder. Oh, let's be annoying. Okay, let's go. So, I'm going to be doing the smoothie challenge with my neighbor or with my friend Debbie. And hey, Arnold. And I will leave you a link to the other smoothie challenge by Sebby's sister. Okay. Okay, so if you want to see more of my little puppy, click the like button, subscribe, and comment. Bye!